Dude, I love these chairs. What? Okay.
Peter, you're never gonna believe what just happened.
What happened?
You know that planet that they were going to, like Alpha Centauri 3?
Study Alpha 3.
Yeah, that's it. But check this out. You know how they sent that robot down?
Yeah.
Well, it shut down without, I know, this huge error, and you're never gonna believe this, but right before it shut down, they found alien life.
What?
I know, my dreams have come true, so you don't by chance have any ideas of what we could do, because they want us to save the bot.
Well, got this handy dandy little bot here.
Why? You know what? Never mind. I like the idea. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're back poolside here. Not sure. It looks like Desert Vista may have come out of the pool. They are out. They're getting packed up. We've got one more team to go. That's the Rocket Scientists. This is one of our adult-sponsored teams. A team of one gentleman who's been competing in the competition, I believe, since the inception. So this is his 5th year of competition. And we'll have a little info on him in just a few moments. But we're going to go ahead and run that right now.
Goes here. And the torpedoes go there. And adjusted here. And yes, that solder joint needs a bit of work. Oh, you're here. Yes, as you can see, you found the rocket scientists NURC underwater robotics competition team. Once again, the NURC competition is very close, and there's always much work to be done. But this year, instead of using the big mothership, we're going to experiment in a different direction. We're going to try the mini ROV. Instead of making big watertight compartments, this year we're going to try going wet. So we've got some surprises in store for you, so pay attention. Get that solder joint. Half motor. The propeller. Most people would think that once this goes into the water, it will stop. But the truth of the matter is, it continues running just fine.
And here you can see that even an inexpensive toy robotic arm can operate easily underwater without any special modifications. What? You're still here? Get into the auditorium and watch. You're just about to see the mini ROV go into the water.
Okay, once again, we're back here. We're ready for our last team. They'll be working out to the pool here in just a few moments. That's the Rocket Scientists. We just had our introduction. Again, you're watching live. It's the 2011 National Underwater Robotics Challenge. Again, I want to thank everyone for allowing me to participate again. This is the 4th year out of 5 years that I've got to MC this, and I enjoy doing it immensely. And hope to be again here next year. We've got some little technical issues out over poolside, so they're working to get that put back together. And we're working here to alleviate those technical issues. And we'll have those for you in just a moment. There we go. Got our camera link back up from the pool side. And that is the Rocket Scientist right there. He's getting his equipment set up. So he'll be entering the pool shortly here. Looks like he's got some help from the typewriter repairman there, at least one of them. And right before we have our last competitor enter the water, once again we'd like to thank all of our sponsors. We couldn't do it without them. APACE, the Arizona Promoters of Applied Science and Education. The Phoenix Analysis and Design Technologies. PAD-T, we'd like to thank them for our name sponsors. The students from Carl Hayden High School and Chandler High for providing us this wonderful location. We'd also like to thank Trace Aquas for supplying all the underwater needs that we have, the scuba tanks, the air. If you need to sail, scuba, or travel, we recommend you go see Trace Aquas. Cise Pueda, a great organization who not only sponsors the event, but sponsors two of the teams competing in the event. Inventivity, Seed, and Critical Mass Communications. We like to thank them for all their efforts. Carry Home Inspection. If you're looking to have your home inspected, if you need to have a new home inspected before you move in, we would urge you to call Carry Home Inspection. And if you're looking for a great pizza, there's none better than Nello's here in Tempe. So stop by and visit Nello's. And again, none of this would be possible without the great work of the gentlemen behind the scenes with Chandler Educational Television. They do an excellent job, and as you can see, it looks like the little ROV right there, and we're panning with our TV out on the out pool side. And he's trying to make all the connections to make sure his ROV is going to work properly. You want to make sure you have all those connectors hooked up. Looks like, remember, in his introduction video, he was showing you some of the different devices he had. One of the more interesting one was a toy articulated arm that had both hand motion, wrist motion, and gripper motion. And it looks like he's getting ready to go in the pool. That actually wasn't designed to work underwater, but he was testing it in his pool, and it seemed to work. And so we'll see if that works this evening. Looks like he is in the pool again. And maybe he's out of the pool. He's in the pool. He's out of the pool. He's trying to get positioned there. Might have a little positive buoyancy issue right here. I'm not sure. May just be wanting to float on the surface for a moment as he gets all his control surfaces figured out. Make sure that when he wants to go down, it goes down. When he wants to go up, it goes up. There we've got him. You see him at the controls of his ROV. Looking very intently at his screen there. So obviously he's got some video and is able to tell what's going on there.